No, I just, no.
What don't you know?
It's so light. And I know one problem. Mom's way awake.
You're all the way awake?
Yeah. Because I know I'm going over there to get x-ray.
Actually, you're going to stay right here to get x-rayed.
Right. Okay, Nicole, bend this knee for me. Can you bend your knee up? Bend your knee. There you go.
I feel like I just woke up for school already. So tired.
Well, you can go back to sleep if you want.
And I just want to hit my skin. Waking up for school.